to my video. Today we're going to be doing a different video. Today it's going to be a tutorial on how to get Spotify Premium accounts for free. Okay, so first thing you want to do, I'm just doing this on iPad because it's easier for me because my computer's off right now, but you can do it on any device. Go into Google, go into your bar and put this link in. I'll put in the description. It's called HGen. It generates multiple accounts for many things. You can get Minecraft accounts, Spotify accounts, a lot of different accounts. I mainly use Spotify and NordVPN though. Okay, so then you want to select what you want. For example, Spotify. Click generate. Redirect you to this linkvertise site. You're just going to do some stuff to get past it. Well, you can do a little thing to get past the video, because usually videos go for like 1 or 2 minutes, but you can skip it easy peasy. Just gotta wait around 10 seconds for this one though. There might be some good stuff along here, you never know. You might want to look at it, read its past time. Yeah, if you watch the video... Well,
you came to this website and would like to earn an Amazon voucher.
You just scroll down and, you click the X and you scroll down and press continue. You wait 15 seconds. I just read this because it passes time, so... Yeah, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's only one more thing before you get your email and password. And, oh, well, there you go. So you just press copy, you copy it, then just go to a site or app, you paste in the email, then you paste in the password. It would be easy as that. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll put the link in the description. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day, everyone.